This is the Zuhafa S9M foldable mini drone. With 720p high-definition camera, this drone has a flight time about 7 minutes. Its charging time is about 40 minutes. The control distance is about 50 meters. The Wi-Fi transmission range is about 30 meters. The drone includes multiple functions. 1 key takeoff return, headless mode, 360-degree flip, voice command control, track route, and altitude hold. It can take HD pictures and videos. You can see and save in real-time first-person view of footage right from your phone. This is the Halofuno foldable mini drone with camera. This mini drone with its foldable design is easy to carry anywhere and provide flexible flight even in the narrow room. Here the mini quadcopter equipped with 2 removable batteries and can be charged simultaneously. Double the flight time up to 14 minutes. Fully charged 2 batteries just need 40 minutes. Under the altitude hold function, the trimming button can help to adjust the slight movement of the drone at the air. Taking high-quality photos is feasible thanks to this function. 2 anti-collision barriers make the drone tough enough for collisions and prevent kids from hurting by propellers. Easy to operate with its advanced features: altitude hold and stable hover. 1 key start, landing. 3 adjustable speed, headless mode and emergency stop. Here's the Pocket Selfie drone from AEE Technology. With a fashionable and unique design, the drone is light and portable. The remote control range is 15 meters. It can fly by joystick, picture and pod. It has follow me mode and headless mode. The flight time is 9 minutes with 2 standard batteries. The drone has propeller guards, lose control auto landing, 1 touch auto landing and 1 touch takeoff, low battery auto landing. It includes face tracking, face unlock takeoff, gesture control, optical flow positioning, 1-click download and 1-click sharing. This drone allows you to take hands-free photos on the go and enjoy selfies. The Hubsan X4 Quadcopter with camera is a very nice and cheap solution. It has the latest 6-axis flight control system with adjustable gyro sensitivity, lightweight airframe with nice durability. It permits super stable flight in 4 ways: flip left, right, forward and backward. It has a 0.3 megapixels camera with video recording module included, but it requires a microSDXC card. Here is the Potensic A30W drone with camera. Through the app control in the gravity induction mode, you can fly the drone forward, backward, left, right and along the direction you indicate with your phone. Its high-definition camera enables you to take high-quality, real-time live video and pictures from the air with better perspective. With custom flight route mode and alarm protection, Draw your flight, plan and design your fly path with easier control and without losing direction. Even the beginners can fly the drone easily with perfect control and wonderful performance. The Attop mini drone with 480p Wi-Fi camera is a portable foldable drone for kids and beginners. A built-in G sensor is designed to allow controlling the drone by adjusting the vertical and horizontal position of your smartphone via an app. You can draw a flight course on the touchscreen on your smartphone. And the mini quadcopter with camera will fly along the path you set and shoot easily. One button takeoff and landing means that with the simple press of a button your drone with camera will rise to a height or land. On altitude hold mode, you can accurately lock the height and location, stable hover and capture video or photos from any angle shooting. The ScharkSpark Drone SS41. The Beetle drone is an outstanding drone with two cameras. One 1080p first-person view HD camera, video and 720p optical flow positioning camera. You can enjoy multiple perspectives and freely switch the real-time viewing modes to gain beautiful moments. High-precision orientation sensor steadily hovers the Beetle for a steadier flight. This simplifies the control and is user-friendly for beginners. And more clear photos or videos could be easily obtained. Simply make specific gestures and the drone can take photos and videos automatically. The drone can be perfectly controlled by a smartphone, making outdoor flight more convenient. The drone is equipped with a modular battery, giving up to 14 to 16 minutes flight time. Here is the Syma X20 mini pocket drone. Its 6-axis Euro quad-rotor craft flight can easily achieve various flight movements. And easier to control. Headless mode makes easier flight once the fuselage direction cannot be recognized. It can enter headless mode so as to continue the flight. With one button press the quadcopter will take off, landing or go back to the position where it took off. Auto-hovering is an altitude-holding technology that lets the flying drone stabilize and suspend in mid-air automatically, even when you let go of the controls. The Holy Stone Foldable Drone is a drone with first-person view 1080p HD camera for kids and adults. You will capture wonderful scenes and directly save to smartphone. The drone transmits steadier and clear videos in real time. Enhances your first-person view experience. It is as foldable and portable, fitting in the palm of your hand. It comes with carry case, so you can take it everywhere you go. Optical flow sensor provides altitude hold and position hold. Hovers the drone steadily at a certain height. Prevents it drifting and helps to take selfies easily. Two modular batteries ensure up to 20 minutes flight time. With the functions of headless mode, 1 key start and landing, emergency stop, speed modes, you can fly like a pro. And finally, the Syma X22W mini drone with camera for kids and beginners. Just press a button and it will take off or land. The altitude hold function ensures a stable hover in the air at a specific altitude, taking great aerial pictures and videos. With the trajectory flight you can draw a flight route on your smartphone, and the drone will fly accordingly. The flight distance is about 30 meters and the flight time 7 to 9 minutes.